for selling me out. We have 10 cans left. Either way, thank you for selling me out. Pinky, thank you for all the help. To all my buyers, thank you so much for making this happen. Remember guys, my overloads happen because of you. Everybody who sends make this happen. Thank you so much. Is there cylinders in the pool? Yeah, that is what I'm working on right now. I'm trying to break all the cylinders in here. Look, there's one right here. It's already dissolving, which is the good thing. It's just, so I didn't mean to make cylinders. It just kind of happened because I didn't sift the powder. Whew. But yeah. Okay, I need to add 10 more cans, and then, yeah, that's it. The dish soap. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful overload. Can we do dish soap on top of the epoxy? Yes. What's in here? Oh, there's a lot of shit in here now. There's a lot of everything. Oh my God. I know. It's so much. I think it was the recycle. We are gonna blame that recycle powder. This is why it looks like this. Because of that recycle cylinders powder that we added. And you know what's crazy? That it still smells like lime. It literally smells like lime, pine. I can smell it. That's what I like. On the side note, I am making this super soft. I think we are gonna add that pine. The pine panelin. This is starting to be super soft now. hands are tired. It looks good though. It smells so good. Thank you guys for being here with me. Thank you, thank you. All right, let me go to the other side and start mixing that, the back side, because we still have more to mix on that side, and then 10 more cans, and yeah, this was our beautiful overload. Look at this cylinder. Oh, never mind. I thought it was a cylinder. Ooh. Now, how the hell am I gonna put this away? How am I gonna save this overload? Because it is very pasty. I'm probably gonna have to go back tomorrow and buy more. I need to buy lime Ajax again and make it a little bit more runny to be able to save it in bottles. Because this right here is very, very chunky.